Welcome back to more mini jungle tips with NiteNightKid. On this edition, we'll be going over one of my biggest pet peeves, starting vision. There are 4 entrance points to each jungle, all of which need to be watched to start a game to avoid an invade, and even bigger, avoid having your jungle stolen. These are some good starting points for each position to stand to avoid being caught and to get vision of the entrances. There are other good starting points also, just make sure entrances are seen. Now these only work if someone else is watching another point, because the enemy team can just go through an opposite point and come up behind you. To avoid this, if your team is a bunch of trash like most games, you can ward one of these spots and stand in another. I feel this is an extremely important thing to do starting a game so you don't lose 50 seconds in. If you don't think this is a problem, here are just a few of the games I clipped. Just look at all this trash. Please, don't just run to your tower and stand there doing nothing. Finally, after about 30 games, here's the closest I got to a full team of 5 on top of their starting vision. That'll wrap up this edition of Mini Jungle Tips. Be sure to watch your starting points and remember, don't be a trash can. Oh yeah, not today, Kazakhs.
Denied.